Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to the digital studios of Market Club. And the question today is the Chinese economy a predictor for the U.S.? As the coronavirus originated in and hit China first, so it should be expected that the Chinese economy could be used and will be used as a predictor for the U.S. economy moving forward. After all, we are talking about the two largest economies in the world. And since the 1970s, the Chinese economy has had more than 4 decades of unbroken gains, which is an incredible run, but that winning streak came to an end today as China reported a negative 6.8% year-over-year contraction in its economy for the first 3 months of 2020. So it's really a significant change in the Chinese economy, and it can only be used to forecast what's going to happen here in the U.S. as we're slightly behind the curve on China as they shut down a couple months before we did. But we'll take a look at the markets as we end the week. Keep that question in mind, and we're looking at the S&P 500 right now, looking to post back-to-back weekly gains, trading at 2,845.80, up 2% on the week, and the chart analysis scores plus 70, indicating that we're still in a sidelines mode, but we are gaining some strength. However, our key level to watch will be 2,447.49. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a potential short position if you want to short the market, or it could just keep you in a sidelines position for the time being. Moving along, take a look at the dollar index, currently eking out about 0.2% gain on the week, trading just below the 100 level at 99.67, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend. Key level to watch would be 98.28. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. Dow Jones, again, much like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq that we'll see here in a second, posting back-to-back weekly gains with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position, gaining about 1% on the week, trading at 23,959.81. Key level to watch is to make a significant bump higher, 20,735.02. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a potential short position for the Dow Jones. Moving along to the Nasdaq, currently trading at 8,578.60 with a chart analysis score plus 60, so a little bit lower than the other two indexes. However, by far having the largest gain of over 5% on the week, posting back-to-back weekly gains as well. Key level to watch would be 7,288.11. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a short position or potential sidelines position for the Nasdaq, and that's really being fueled by Netflix and Amazon pushing the Nasdaq higher. Take a look at gold. After gaining over 5% last week, giving back a little bit, trading down about 2% this week. However, chart analysis score remains plus 85, indicating that we're still in a long-term uptrend for gold, trading above the 1,700 an ounce level at 1,703.30. Key level to watch would be 1,749.50. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, triggering a long position on the short-term time frame for gold. Take a look at crude oil, absolutely falling out after that OPEC deal was announced earlier in the week, where they agreed with them in Russia to cut production. Apparently not what the crude oil market was looking for here in the U.S. Currently down 21% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating we're in a long-term downtrend for crude oil, trading right now at $18 a barrel. Key level to watch would be $20.53. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin as we do. Get back here. Currently losing about 0.7% on the day. However, chart analysis scores plus 60, indicating that we are still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. It's trading just above the $7,000 level, gaining 3.2% on the week, trading at 77,040.01. Key level to watch would be 5,856. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and I'll be back next week to give you a market update.